it's Mike, Cougar Chemical. Tis our busy season. I've got a bunch of trailers out here that we're got ready to go, and they're real similar platforms, but each one's customized in a little slightly different way to meet the application. I kind of wanted to show you the equipment, tell the story of what is going there, give you ideas for what our capabilities are and what you might want to look for in the pressure washer for yourself. All of these, this is a Catamount 200. It's got our LFT pressure washer on it. It's a hot water unit pushing 5 gallons a minute, 3,500 PSI. This machine is kind of the sledgehammer. This one's going to a food manufacturer where they're trying to clean up fruit concentrate off of their loading docks when they spill it, and some other general maintenance items around their facility. So we're doing the hot water, 5 gallons a minute, 3,500 PSI, carrying a 200 gallon water tank, and then a Hene hose reel with a manual wind, just bones bare basic, easy, kick it, drop it, beat it, put it away wet. They will be using a surface cleaner, so I've got a ball valve on here where they can quickly and easily move from a wand to a surface cleaner without having to shut the machine off. All right, next machine. All right, again, another Cougar Catamount 200. Again, an LFT pressure washer, 5 gallons a minute, hot water, 3,500 PSI. This machine is going to be used to clean apartment buildings, and they've got big, long breezeways. So his primary focus was, being able to reach a long ways and cover these breezeways up to 3 stories high. Since it's going to be parked in residential parking lots, we wanted to do a safety light. So we got the flashing safety light on there that is key to the ignition of the machine. Around to the side, again, the same 200 gallon water tank. This one, however, we got added some integrated wand holders on here. So we got those on both sides. Around back, we've got an electric rewind hose reel with 500 foot of capacities, and that's going to let him go from the first floor breezeway to the 3rd floor breezeway and everywhere in between without having to move the trailer. Since he's got access to water at all of these locations, we've also mounted up a garden hose reel up here. This garden hose reel has got 100 foot of garden hose on it and is plumbed into the tank. In the tank, there's a float valve so that if he's got it hooked up to the water source, it'll fill up, it'll stop, it won't spill, and he can work continuously without having to worry about running out of water. Next machine. All right, the next trailer. Again, another Cougar Catamount 200. Again, the LFT pressure washer, 5 at 35, hot water machine. This one's a little different. We've also got a 5 gallon a minute cold water belt drive machine on here. This belt drive machine is also wired up to a chemical injector so that we can run low pressure chemical injection on this. This machine is being purchased by a chain of gas stations. So every night they're going to go out and they have to quickly be able to wash their gas stations. So they are running a 2-man team on that. The idea behind this is your first operator using the cold water pressure washer will be able to apply detergent onto the parking lot and fuel islands. Your second operator running the hot water machine will be able to run the surface cleaner. And as those two do their little ballet of cleaning, the cold water guy can come in behind and do a rinse after the cleaning is done. Moving to the back, again, a 200 gallon water tank, integrated wand holders. Since this machine's got 2 pressure washers, there's one on both sides. Moving to the back, we've got double stacked 2 Hene reels with 200 foot of hose on top. Both of them are electric rewind. And again, since we're doing this at a gas station, we've got access to the water key there. This one, we got a 50 foot garden hose plumbed up into, again, a float tank in the back so 2 operators can run uninterrupted. So this one is built for speed. They want to get in and out and cause the least amount of disruptions to their customers. This is about everything that we can fit on this type of trailer. If you can come up with another idea, let me know. I'll try to cram something else on it, but I don't know what it is. Next trailer. All right, last trailer that I got lined up here today. This one's a little different. This one's our Catamount 500 trailer, indicating that it'll carry up to 525 gallons worth of water. This machine is going out to the coast. This is a disaster relief company that specializes in cleaning up after storms, industrial accidents, stuff like that. So this is kind of a big boy toy. We've got 2 full diesel operated pressure washers, Kubota diesels. These are Landa PDHW machines. I got 2 of them on here on the Catamount 500 trailer. Got the big hand crank jack coming around to the side. This one's under construction, so I don't have it all the way put together, but this was the last chance I had to show you all these trailers all at the same time. 500 gallon tank on this one. Moving around to the back, we've got a nice big storage box here on the back, and 2 electric rewind hose reels up to 275 foot. This particular unit is going to be in areas where there might not be water, so they had to be able to carry more water. And when they do have water, they're going to be filling this one off of a fire hydrant, so no garden hose needed. That's a pretty big span of applications-based builds for these machines. Give me a call, let me know what I can build for you.